Okay, I've got 3 standard locks here. 2 of them are cable locks for typical handgun. One of them is a $2.99 lock from the convenience store. I want to show some interesting things about these. So this is the standard DAC cable lock, or DAC lock. And it is picked relatively easy. I'm using a $1.99 pick set off of Deal Extreme. Standard little diamond pick and tension wrench. So I've picked the DAC lock, and very gently we go in, and there you go, that's picked. That took about 2 seconds. It's $1.99 lock. It's $1.99 lock. Also relatively easy. Put the tension wrench in. Now these have a higher tension than the other locks, so you might be a little fooled thinking you don't have it when you actually do, because you just have to push a lot harder on the tension wrench than normal. Now this lock. This is the lock that comes with any XD, Springfield XD series gun. You can see that it's a little bit wider of an entry. They both have a security spinner. I don't know what the hell that's supposed to do aside from the illusion of safety. But this lock, what's interesting about it, after I pick it I'll show you, so again, about 2 seconds, is that this can be picked with simply the tension wrench. Excuse the baby, she's watching Aladdin. So we put the tension wrench in, and we know it's about the 3rd pin or so.
I know. Same on me.
There we go. So there, that's been picked only by using the tension wrench. So high quality indeed.